Hello, it's Peter here from Janome.com, and in this video I just wanted to show you how you can set your Memory Craft 15,000 to do an automatic pivot for you. So what we're talking about is you'll be sewing, you'll come to a corner, say you're doing an applique, you'll come to the corner, you'll want to stop with your needle in the fabric, but you want to lift the foot so you can pivot the fabric around. Generally you would have to program that you want your needle to stop down. You'd come to the corner, you'd manually lift your foot, pivot the fabric, put the foot down and start sewing again. On the Memory Craft 15,000 you don't have to do it like that. Along the top here you've got your begin again, your feed dog, drop, your cloth guide, and your next one along is your pivot function. So if I press that one, that means now when I sew and then take my foot off the foot control, the machine will take the needle to the lowest point and lift the foot for me so I can pivot the fabric. And then all I need to do is make sure I've got that fabric lined up how I'd like and just put my foot back down on the foot control. The machine will drop the foot automatically and resume sewing. Okay, so I've selected the applique menu in the sewing applications. I've selected a blanket stitch in the right hand needle position, so it'll start right over here in the edge of the foot. I've selected the pivot function, so all I need to do now, I'll put my foot down, start with my needle down, and we'll start sewing. Okay, so you can see there I've taken my foot off the foot control, the foot has automatically lifted. Pivot, put your foot back down, press the begin again button, and off we go. And if I just stop now, just take my foot off the foot control, you'll see that stop, needle down, and the foot's lifted automatically. Now, sometimes with the pivot, it might be set a bit low, depending on what you're sewing. You might be doing something very bulky. To change that, press set, go to your sewing settings, which is the red sewing machine here, and then we just need to go down, so use the down arrow. Foot height for pivoting, you'll see that's set at 3mm. You can adjust that up with the plus or down with the minus, however you would like it. It's all personal preference and it's all governed by the fabric or the quilt sandwich that you're using at the time.